Something about this Laney colorway, man. They sitting. I don't know what's going on with the sneaker world, but these are fire, man. That tumbleness is crazy, guys. Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And today we're going to do a full in-depth review on the Jordan 1 Laney reverse woman joints. And y'all know, man, I be leaving women's sneakers alone, but I just love this Laney colorway, man. Yeah, you still could get them off the Nike app, Sneakers app, mostly every foot site. Maybe not in a size 12 if you were 10 and a half like me, but they're still available. I don't know why, guys. I had to get them in hand. The picture showed the tumbleness, and the tumbleness is there. I don't know what's going on with the sneaker world, guys, man. But give me a thumbs up if you copped, and we buy what we like, not what's hype. That's what we do over here at Sneaker Notes, man. But we're going to get into a full in-depth review of these. These here's my Laney 5s. I think I wore these like twice. I gotta wear these more, man. But when these dropped or re-released, people went crazy over them. I don't see the difference in these, man. But we're gonna get into a full in-depth review of these. But first, you know what we do as Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is the part of the video where you go down in the comment section below. Let me know what you got on foot when you caught this video. Today, I'm buck-eyed out, man, so I went with the undefeated Gucci colorway Air Max 97s. Yeah, I think those are 97s. Long time ago, man. This one, Undefeated, was killing. Undefeated kind of fell off with their Nike collabs recently, but that sneaker there, man, I love it. Comfortability, not too much. You know, the 97s is a narrow silhouette, but definitely fly. Definitely rock with all your Gucci gear or your Ohio State Buckeye gear. But that's what I got on foot. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that red Nike Jordan 1 box. Some people really don't like it. Some people love it. I like it, man. I like the reverse from the black to the red to the black. I like the OG switch up on these joints right here. But it reads Women Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Varsity Maze, Game Royal, and even Cell is in here. When you flip open the lid, they got a Nike swoosh there. It even says swoosh. I don't remember seeing that. No quality control stamp in here, but these are straight from the Sneakers app. And boom, here goes the right side of your Jordan 1 reverse Laneys. And I don't know why the sneaker's sitting, man. If this came out like 2.5, 3 years ago before Jordan 1s was coming out too much, this would have been an instant sellout, instant cop. But these are fire, man. Fire. So I want to start with the tag because the tag really doesn't match with anything. It's in a UNC colorway. Nice glossy. It's glossy. This is a nice tag, guys. Very light. It says Nike in red on both sides. Got your chain, silver beaded chain, dog tag look. So that's the tag. But let's get into the tumbleness. Look at it, guys. That tumbleness is crazy. I think because it's yellow, it's really not talked about too much. If it was that Cell off-white look, a la reverse backboard, this would be crazy. But y'all see the tumbleness behind there on a leather blue Laney swoosh. I like it. And I like the reverse look. I really don't be liking the reverse looks, but I like this reverse look. So yeah, even the you feel the tumbleness of the toe box, yellow, blue around it. Dope look. Comes with some yellow shoelaces. I have to look in the, oh, don't even have to look. Boom. You also come with blue. So you got blue and yellow. I'll probably do the blue. Let me know in the comment section below which one you do. And this also is the Move to Zero. Like I've been telling y'all my last couple of videos. Jordan 1, Nike said they were done with the hang pouches, bad for the environment. There you go, the Move to Zero joints. The tag also is another throw off, but it is a Jordan 1 OG colorway. So you got a red and black tag. Doesn't really match with the sneaker at all, but that's Jordan. Brand colorway, so I'm kind of digging it. More than I'm digging the UNC here, but the UNC here also creeps back inside. So you see the inside joint right there is in that nice UNC blue with the white also Carolina look. So the tag gets a pass for that alone. The tongue all yellow mesh Jordan 1 look. Nothing's different. Has the cotton back. And as you creep around the back, there go that nice game royal blue look. I guess the bottom is the sail, but my eyes, it just looks like regular white. But it can look like a little off-whitish, little vintage look a little bit. So I kind of get what they're saying. The bottom also all blue. You've seen one Jordan 1, a Dunk Low, a SB. You've seen this bottom a million times. This is the left shoe here. That tumbleness is crazy, guys. And nothing's changed from right to left. Everything's the same. Yeah. A lot of tumbleness though, man. All over the shoe. Yes, sir. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Again, I know they sitting, and y'all know I'm 94% hype beast. But I really, really like this colorway, man. So yeah, man, quick review on the reverse Laney joints, women exclusive. Women, I'm sorry. I think I got like one more review, the Armand Maillet joints, and I'm going to leave y'all sneakers alone. I promise. But these was a must cop for me because these were so long ago, guys. Like, we finally got another Laney, so I'm really happy for this, man. Get this video up to 20 likes, man, and I'll come with a how to style real quick, like, as soon as we get to 20 likes. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.